Let's find the equation of a parabola passing through 3 points. So here are 3 points. Notice if one of the points was the vertex, you'd use standard form. If one of the points was a 0, you might go about using the factored form of a quadratic. But when none of the points is the vertex and none is a 0, what do? Well, I'm looking for an equation that looks like y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, okay? And what I need to find is I need to find a, b, and c. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in the x and the y values that I know, and I'm going to solve a system of 3 equations for a, b, and c. So here's what will happen. I'll plug in this point. Notice what happens. When x is 0, y is 2. So 2 equals 0 times a plus 0 times b plus c. Well, what's that tell you? That tells you that c is 2. Similarly, for this point, 6 equals a times 2 squared plus b times 2 plus c. And here I have 2 equals a times 3 squared plus b times 3 plus c. So I've just plugged in those values into this equation. Well, what do I get out? First off, notice from this line, I just get, as I said, c equals 2. These equations now become so much simpler, right? This becomes 6 equals 4a plus 2b plus 2. And this equation becomes 2 equals 9a plus 3b plus 2. Now I'm going to go ahead and rewrite those with the constants gathered on one side. So subtracting 2 from the first equation, I get 4 equals 4a plus 2b. And then on the second equation, I get 0 equals 9a plus 3b. Now I have a system of 2 equations, 2 unknowns. Life should be good. Now, what should I solve for? Perhaps b is the simplest thing to solve for. Let's multiply the top times 3, the bottom times negative 2. So multiplying the top by 3, I get 12 is equal to 12a plus 6b. The bottom is 0 is equal to negative 18a minus 6b. Those cancel. I get 12 equals negative 6a. Well, dividing by negative 6 said that a is negative 2. Life is good. Now let me go back over here. What's the simplest equation? Well, this looks fairly simple. 0 equals 9 times negative 2 plus 3b. So that's negative 18. I'll add that to the other side. 18 equals 3b. That means b equals 6. So a equals negative 2, b equals 6, c equals 2. What's that equation I'm looking for? The equation is y equals negative 2x squared plus 6x plus 2. And you might graph that yourself and see that that's a parabola, in fact, that goes through all of those points.